Nice jewelry. Oops, it's broken. I'll show you how to repair it. Guys, welcome back to my good DIY channel. Today I am going to show you a very simple trick that you can use to repair all the loops that breaks in your jewelry. So if you will look closely, this one is broken. I have a point and this part is separated. All you are going to need is a nose plier like this. Okay, then widen the gap, put the jewelry in it, hold it together. Let me zoom in a little bit. Voila, it is done. See, no more falling jewelries. Thank you.